Hello, welcome to it. My name is Tara if you're new here. I really appreciate you stopping by. Today we are getting ready to go to North Carolina. Tomorrow actually is my flight. So I thought I'd do a little pack with me for North Carolina. I'm gonna be organizing and prepping everything for actually quite a long trip, almost 3 months long. I'm going to be in North Carolina first and then going to be traveling to Florida eventually. So the scenario of packing is a little bit different because I'm packing for 2 climates. So luckily, Anthony, my partner, he drove back to the US. He was here a couple days ago. And so he took my Florida stuff. And so I'm just gonna pack for North Carolina today and all the essential, you know, medication, skincare, makeup, all that jazz. Without further ado, let's get packing. All right, so first thing I did was this morning I got a COVID test because I am flying and I need that to travel. And I'm negative. It was a rapid antigen test. So that was first. And then I made a list, just a to-do list, so that I can keep myself in check and make sure that I get things done, because otherwise I'll be all over the place. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to wash my makeup brushes and then pack all my makeup and skincare, pack clothing. I gotta plan my travel outfit. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I gotta print and assemble my documents, organize and pack any medication that I need, make a list for the morning, you know, stuff like chargers, passport, things like that. And I gotta back up my laptop. I love to do this before a trip, you know, just so I have a backup just in case anything happens. I don't know, it's something like I do every trip, so gotta do it. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but because of the pandemic, I really have not traveled. So I had to dig out all my travel bags and things like that. Because I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, some of them are felt, so I've kept the boxes for travel. I'm not sure what palette I'm gonna bring yet, but I got those, my makeup brush holder, some makeup bag. Okay, starting with the first drawer, I'm grabbing, it's really old, so I have actually another one, but I do want to finish this one, so I'm gonna bring both. The IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus, and because I'm not quite that shade right now, I got the Dream Urban Cover Maybelline one to mix in. Gotta have sunscreen by Supergoop, and the foundation that I'll bring, I'm gonna bring 2, I think. I have this Estee Lauder one that is a bit darker, so I'll wait to be in Florida to use this one, but in the meantime, go-to foundation will be L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. In terms of a primer, I'm going to bring the Tarte primer, what is it, the smoothing primer, and the Shadow Insurance Too Faced for a eyeshadow primer. For concealer, I'm just going to bring this Maybelline one and possibly replace it with a Shape Tape once I get there, maybe at Ulta. I have the original Tarte Shape Tape, but there's not that much left. You know what, might as well put it in there for now, just in case. I got the Hourglass Ambient Light Powder in Luminous Light, I believe is a shade. It's a little sample, so it's a tiny little travel guy. And that's about it for that one. I have to get a new setting spray because I can't take this on the plane. Otherwise, I have this Airbond blush. A friend gave this to me, so this is what I've been using as blush, so this is what I'll bring. My highlighter of choice will be Becca. It's a little travel size as well because it lasts me so long. I don't need a full size. It's in the shade Moonstone, if you're wondering. And then in terms of powder, this is probably expired, so I have a new one that I'm gonna bring. This is the Fit Me Maybelline. I'll bring that as my loose setting powder. I'll also be bringing the Brown and Black KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner. A cream blush as well that I really like is the Milk Makeup. It's a little sample, so I'm going to bring that one as well. And then for bronzer, I have this Hoola Benefit bronzer. It's like the jumbo size, so that's the only bronzer I have. Actually, that's a lie. I have these. I have the Shade and Light by KVD, well, Kat Von D previously, but it's a contour little thing. So it's got the powder and the contour, a little bit messy. Sorry about that. So I might bring that just in case I need some pressed powder. I'll just use that just to be extra fancy because I know that Anthony and I are gonna do a photo shoot at some point. I'm going to bring, oh my God, this is so, look at my camera. Oh my gosh. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter. It is in How Many Carats. It's really sparkly and shiny and glamorous, so Gonna have that on hand just in case. And this is a bit of a mess. This is like my lipsticks and mascara and stuff. So I got a new L'Oreal Voluminous mascara that I'm gonna open and bring because my other one was very old. In terms of lipstick, I might just put the camera down and sort through what I actually want to bring and share it in just a second. All right, these are the lipsticks and some other things that I'm gonna bring. So we got two Fenty Beauty glosses. This one is in Fenty Glow. And then I got a small one, I was swatching. I got a small one in, I think it's called Fussy. Yeah. And then this NARS Travel Lip Balm. It was part of the birthday gift thing. A Tarte lipstick in Rum Punch. I have the tiniest bit of MAC Fix Plus, the smallest bit. You know what, maybe this is not even worth it, but I want to use it to the end, so I'm just gonna put it in there. I also have the Glossier Boy Brow. I have two ColourPop. What are these? Oh my god, it's already rubbed off. It's so old. This is just a tint from ColourPop. There's a shade on here? Okay, there's no shade. It's like a dark red. I think it's like the cherry one or something. And then I have this other one. I think it was called like, oh, Wakiki is the shade. All right, I also have a eyelash glue. I'm gonna get some lashes, maybe there. Or I have some, but I might just get a couple pairs there. I have this ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in the color Cypress Shell that I'm gonna bring, as well as this nude one, same formula in Zuma. And because I'm there for Christmas, I gotta have like a dark red color. It's the cream lip stain from Sephora. Couldn't tell you the shade color, sorry. And last but not least, just a Sephora Prime. It's a universal lip liner, so it's actually like a clear lip liner. A little bit stuffed, but I got all my makeup in here, and then all my lipsticks and lip glosses and such in here. Because I washed my makeup brushes before, I'm just going to wait to put them in their little carrying case thing. So that'll be one of those things that I put on my like morning of to-do list. So I'll get to that tomorrow. I almost forgot eyeshadow. I did that last time. I was going to a wedding out of town and I forgot eyeshadow and I was so pissed. Luckily, I borrowed a friend's palette, which is not really sanitary, but don't worry about it. I am going to bring, see, sometimes I bring all three of my palettes, but that's really excessive. I really don't need that much eyeshadow. So I think I'm just gonna bring two. A little bit of a compromise. I'm gonna bring the Soft Glam palette as well as Sultry. It's like a fall and winter kind of thing. I figured those are good choices. I have Nervina, but that's more like summer, so might as well put her to bed for now. All right, so I took a quick little break and had some pizza. And then I realized what I should be doing is backing up my computer in the meantime while I'm doing the rest of my packing. So I'm gonna quickly do that and then continue packing while that's going. Back to packing skincare and such. I'm just gonna run through quickly what I've got. Mouth guard because I grind my teeth at night. Exfoliating glove. If I have room, I'll put some of these cotton rounds in, or I'll just buy some. A lot of the stuff that I have, like cleanser, shampoo, conditioner, all that, that'll just be purchased in the US when I get there. But I did have this Vaseline, an extra thing that's small, and I believe 100 grams is the allowance. I'll check on that. Toothbrush. The Glossier Bubble Wrap Eye and Lip Plumping Creams. This is Micellar, or however you say it, water. The Garnier one, I just put it in a traveling thing because I really don't need that much. Next, I've got the Ordinary 100% Organic Cold Pressed Rosehip Seed Oil. I want to start getting back into a good skincare routine. And then this is brand new. It's a retinol 1% and squalene. And then also from the Ordinary, it's this lactic acid. Was it 10% plus HA? And then kind of skincare, kind of not really. This is the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops in dark. And then I've got stuff for flossing my teeth. I will buy floss there. And what else? Obviously, Purell will go in my carry-on, so I'm just putting that aside. But otherwise, that's the extent of my skincare at the moment. Okay, now it feels real. I got my suitcase out from way back in our storage area. So now all I gotta do is figure out my clothing situation and start packing my carry-on. Yeah, this is all I got. Just a just the carry-on. I don't check luggage. This is what I've got so far. I got, you know, underwear, socks. I got a fabric mask, but I also have a medical mask for the plane, but just gonna pack that. And then this is my stack of clothing. Got a couple blouses and long sleeve shirt, a little sweater thingamabob. It's not like too heavy. A dress, some light joggers, and 2 pairs of jeans. Flip this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's inside out. Great. So I got a blue pair of mom jeans that are inside out and a black pair of skinny jeans. Figured that's all I really need. Some pajamas, you know, 2 random shirts and a short face mask or eye mask, I guess. And then bralette, sports bra, and bra. I packed some jewelry as well, just a couple of statement earrings and just simple studs and hoops that I frequently wear. Not too much stuff so that it's not too much to travel with. And then I have my airport outfit here. It's just a sports bra and matching leggings. And then I'm just gonna wear this tank top on top. And I'm also going to pack a sweater and a jacket as well. All right, I got some medication and the important documents that I need in my carry-on bag. I'm just gonna add a bunch of other stuff to my purse or my carry-on bag. You know, hand cream, some extra headphones, gum, some sage essential oils, specifically the peppermint halo is a godsend. Allergy eye drops, you know, my wallet, passport. I'm gonna fill this plastic bag up with Lysol wipes. I got my keys, an extra pack of gum, reading glasses, sunglasses, and my purse, which is empty at the moment. I also have to pack some like scrunchies and hair elastics, but otherwise all the other stuff that I'm gonna do other than packing this stuff is tomorrow, you know, like laptop, technology that I have, you know, chargers, last minute medications that I need in the morning, things like that. All right, so I think I'll pick this up tomorrow morning and just continue doing the last minute stuff. So I'll see you tomorrow for my flight. Good morning. It is the day of the flight and I am feeling excitement and a bit of nerves. I've been up for a couple hours now. I made some breakfast, got some stuff packed. I thought I'd share with you what's in my carry-on bag. This is my carry-on personal bag. Got my laptop in there, my important files, charger, all my hard drives, my batteries for my camera, battery chargers as well in this little pouch. I got my glasses case, my sunglasses case, that's in there. I shake it to make sure. My US cards, money, passport, all that jazz. Some batteries on hand for my camera. And then I have my little pocket pharmacy from Sage, all my essential oils. My hand sanitizer clipped on the front of my bag. Little Canada US pin. I have a bunch of these. Gave one to Anthony to have. He put it on his backpack, so I thought, why not put on mine as well? So super cute. And then I'm going to just chuck my purse in my backpack. So obviously my wallet, got my travel insurance certificate all folded up there with my vaccination records and all that. Of course, I have that on my phone as well. I have a little charger for my phone that my dad got at a conference. I have my puffer, of course, in here. AirPods, house keys, extra bottle of sanitizer, gum, Advil. I went through a lot of this yesterday of what I had in here. Pads, lip balm, and just some couple other medications in the back there in case I need it on the plane. I'll put my camera in this little flimsy bag just to keep it protected when I put it in my backpack. Change into my airport outfit, which I have laid out right over here. And then I'll be good to go. I'm so excited. All of these are dry, just gotta pack them along with my eyeshadow palettes just in the same bag. And then I am done. This is the moment. I've strapped everything in. I've closed the bag. And now we zipper. Eek. It's hard to do this with one hand. And it's closed. So this is my travel outfit if you're interested. I'm just wearing a sports bra and a little tank. This is from American Eagle, I believe. Sports bra and leggings are from Beyond Yoga. Got them as a Christmas present from Anthony last year and I love them. They're so soft and they've lasted really well. Like there's no pilling or anything. So really enjoying these leggings, and the set is super cute together. And then I have my Disney cast member sweater on. It's my go-to travel sweater. It's just like not too thick, not too thin, so it's perfect to layer. And then I also got my Ghost Host hat because it's Halloween week, so you know, gotta have that. It's from the Haunted Mansion from Disney World. But I might opt for a face shield, probably because I'll be pretty close to people. I'll switch that out, put this in my bag at some point if I'm feeling a little uncomfortable. Gotta stay safe. All right, this is where I'm going to leave you. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.